Master the art of greetings. Understanding glad hand. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are diving into an interesting English phrase that you might encounter in social or professional settings. We're going to unravel the meaning behind the term, glad hand, and show you how it's used in real-life conversations. If you're eager to enrich your English vocabulary, especially in nuances that deal with social interactions, stay with us as we explore this fascinating expression. The phrase, glad hand, is used to describe a warm and welcoming handshake. It usually refers to situations where a person greets another with enthusiasm or extra friendliness. However, there's more to it than just a simple handshake. Sometimes, to glad hand can imply a degree of insincerity or superficiality in the enthusiasm displayed. It's often associated with politicians or salespeople who use hearty handshakes as part of their job to seem friendly and approachable. Understanding the origin of the term can help you better grasp its usage. The phrase, glad hand, originated in the United States in the late 19th or early 20th century. It was used to describe the often exaggerated friendliness of politicians seeking votes. Over time, the phrase has been adopted more broadly to refer to anyone who uses a warm handshake, sometimes with the ulterior motive of gaining favor or advantage. Now, let's see how you can use glad hand in everyday conversation or writing. It's important to note that the context in which you use it can change its implication. In a positive light, the host was at the door, glad-handing every guest that arrived with a smile. To express skepticism, I felt like the committee was just glad-handing me, without any real interest in my ideas. Understanding the context will help you avoid misinterpretation and convey your thoughts accurately. Being aware of cultural nuances is key in international communication. In some cultures, being too friendly or enthusiastic right away can be seen as disingenuous. It's essential to be authentic in your interactions, and if you feel someone is glad-handing you, it's okay to approach the situation with caution. Trust your instincts about when to be warm and when to be more reserved. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the term, glad hand, and how it's used in the English language. Remember, a handshake can be a sign of genuine welcome or a tool for a superficial show of friendliness. As with all language learning, practice is key, so try using glad hand in your conversations where appropriate, and see how it can reflect different nuances in communication. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language tips. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!